Hello, it's Adedoyin Jaiyesimi here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to tell you especially about an initiative. Should I call this an initiative? I don't think it's an initiative. It's something that I've launched last month, at the end of last month, and I want to just even start with the backstory, and let me just get to what it is. It's something called the Comms Mentorship Circle. For those of you that have been following me on LinkedIn, you already know about it, and some of you are already subscribed. By the way, can I just say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed? I mean, we're already at over 100 subscribers. I didn't have any expectations in terms of, how many people will subscribe, but every single day I got notifications of new subscribers. I was just like, oh my God, wow, thank you so much. Now, why am I doing this? Why the Comms Mentorship Circle? What's it all about? For some years now, I've been receiving requests from people asking me if I can be their mentor, to provide one-on-one mentorship. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that at the Comms Avenue, mentorship is something that we do. We have a structured mentorship program called the CMP, the Comms Mentorship Program, and we've done about 7 batches now. Batch 8 will be starting in a few months, and it's been really, really incredible. We've connected young African communications professionals with senior professionals from across the world in different industries, and the testimonies and the stories of impact and transformation has been remarkable. However, people kept coming, Adedoyin, this, can you be my mentor? Can you be my mentor? I was like, pressure. Pressure, because I mean, working in comms, in fact, somebody recently asked this in the Substack, because it's the Comms Mentorship Circle is domiciled on Substack, and there's a chat where I answer questions, and someone was saying, why do more senior professionals handhold younger professionals? And I said, look, I can't answer for everybody, but the truth really is that the work that we do can be quite stretching. There's a lot going on, and sometimes you don't even have time for yourself. So I do understand it, which is why we're always celebrating the mentors that commit 8 weeks of their time to mentor a younger professional through the CMP. Anyway, back to me. So I started to really think about it, that, okay, what can be the best way for me to get this done? Because I really would like to handhold and directly support more younger professionals with my experience and all of that. And last year I started a group mentorship session, which was nice. It was about 5. I did 2 groups, about 4 or 5 professionals over a 3-month period. It was nice, but it was also a stretch. By the time we got to the second cohort, first of all, we started late. It was a real stretch, but I was happy that I was able to do it. So I just started to pray and ask the Lord that what would be a way to make this sustainable? What would be a way to also make this scalable so that I can reach as many people as possible? And that's when the idea for the Comms Mentorship Circle came to me. It was truly the Holy Spirit that inspired the idea. And what it is really is that on Substack, so I'll share the link to the mentorship circle in the description of this video, but what it is I'm going to be using that platform to engage with younger professionals. There is a chat section on Substack, so I'll be answering questions live every Thursdays. I will be there by 7 p.m. West African time, answering questions, as many as I can, between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. There are also going to be group sessions, in-person sessions, and virtual sessions that will be open to about 15 to 20 professionals. And what I'm going to be doing in those sessions, so the in-person one is a full day thing, literally from 9 till 5. And I'm going to be sharing and pouring out practical, theoretical, and experiential information. It's really going to be very, very robust. The virtual one is not going to be that long, because I know people don't stay that long virtually, but it's also going to be as impactful, and I want to be able to reach people that are across multiple locations. The in-person one, the first one in Lagos, is going to take place in March. Please watch out for more information on that. And my hope and my prayer to God is that I'm able to take it to Accra, Nairobi, Kigali, wherever the Lord wants me to take you to. So if you feel led to sponsor me to come to your location to host a mentorship circle, why not? Anyway, that's really what it's all about. It's an avenue for me to share my knowledge, connect directly with young professionals, and I hope that professionals will use this as a platform to just really come and just express themselves in terms of questions, in terms of challenges that they're facing. And the beauty of it is, even if I can't, because I always say I don't have all the answers, right? I'm also navigating my own journey, right? Even if I don't have the answers, there will be someone within the circle that is able to answer. But I really want to be able to use that as a platform for mentorship. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how it goes. So that's what it's all about. If you haven't subscribed and it sounds like something you would like to be part of, please hit the link in the description and be a part of the the circle. If you have specific questions about the Comms Mentorship Circle, please feel free to let me know. And something else that I should say is that I want to partner with organizations across Africa to be able to use their office space, because that's the way I can keep the cost of the in-person sessions as low as possible. So I want to partner with organizations that are willing to host the circle in their office space. So if you have a conference room or a meeting room in your organization or agency that can take about 15 to 20 people, and you are happy to support, because one of the things that I want to do with any organization that comes on board to collaborate with me is to also have members of their team share as well with the young professionals on the day. Please feel free to reach out to me. I'm also going to put my email address so that you can connect with me. Let's impact as many people as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye.